Hey guys, I'm Ganesh and you're watching Gadget Kada. So in this episode, we are going to tell you how you can delete your Instagram profile. So imagine you have an Instagram account and you actually want to delete that account. So it's very difficult to find an option to delete your account from your Instagram. And in this video, we're going to tell you how you can do that. First, you have to go to your profile, and once you go to profile, the 3-bar, and then you go to settings. So once you go into settings, first you can keep a backup of your account. For that, you have to go to security, and inside security, just click on download data, and then you can give your email address, whatever email ID you want, and then you can get a copy of a link of a file wherein your photos, your comments and profile information are stored, and then you can say request download, and that's it. So you will get a link to that file with all the details. Now moving to how you can delete your account. So for that, you have to go to settings and then click on help. Okay, under help you have to click on help center. So once you click on help center, it will open Chrome, and then it will open a web page. So everything is pretty small here. I'll just move this to near to the camera so that you can see. Yeah, so once you are here, you have to click on manage your account. So once you are in the manage your account page, you have to click on delete your account. So you have a few options in delete your account, like you can temporarily disable your Instagram, or you can delete your account. So if I'm going for delete my account, I have a few options here. So it says all photos, everything will be deleted and things like that. And if you see here, there is a delete your account link. Click on that link, and then let me open that in Chrome itself. So once it opens, yes, switch account, and then you have to log in into your account. So for this, I will just log in. And yes, so once I have logged in, I'll just say not now. Yes, so once I have logged in, I'll get a page like this where it will ask, why do you want to delete your account? Then it gives you a lot of options, like want to remove something, concerned about my data, trouble getting data. So let me just say something else. Okay, and then it will ask you to again re-enter your password. So I'll again re-enter my password, and then I'll say delete the ID. So it's there. I'll click on that, and it will again ask you, are you sure you want to delete your account? And once I click on OK, then I will get a confirmation. It will take some time, and then I'll get a confirmation that the account will be deleted 1 month from now. So if you see my system data, it's December 12th today, and on this January 11th the account will be deleted. So if I want to change, if let's say if I change my mind, I want to see that my account. So if I now go to Instagram, it will actually log me out. So it will say error, you have been logged out. Yeah, so as you can see, it will say error, you have been logged out. And if I want to get my account back, I can click on this. I can click on add account, and I can say create login account. I click on login. So what will happen is I will get a notification here. I'll just focus it properly. So it will say that if I want, I can log in, but then it will not be deleted. So I can say keep account or back to login. So if I say keep account, I can get my account back. So this will only work till 1 month from the date you have set it to delete. So this is how you delete. I'll go back to login. I do not want to keep my account, so that account is not there. Currently there are only 2 accounts. So yeah, that's how you delete your Instagram account. So I hope that this video has helped you. If it has, please leave a like, and also share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Gadget Kada for more such videos. Until next time, bye bye.